this background is fake. Welcome to my channel. If you're seeing this video for the first time or you're seeing me for the first time, my name is AbaMomo and this is my channel. So you're welcome. Kindly subscribe and join the family. And if you're an old family member, then you're welcome once again.
I'm going to change my background from this to this.
I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your background to fit your content. So as a content creator in this short while, I stumbled on 3 apps that helps me with my editing, and this is the Leonardo AI app, Canva, and Cupcut. So I'm going to use these 3 apps to teach you how to make your background.
So first you want to open these 3 apps, and then you go to Leonardo AI app first, and you try to sign in. Create your own account. After you are done doing that, you would see this interface. Now first you want to type your prompts. I type YouTube background in an office setup with shelf and clock and a subtle purple color because I love purple. So it gives you options, and when the options, it takes a while to download, and then it comes. When it comes, you choose the one that suits you best. So this suits me best, then I save it to my gallery. Then you open the next, which is Canva. So you open Canva, and this is the interface you're going to get. You would also now want to because it's for YouTube it's like for YouTube, you need to get a YouTube thumbnail aspect ratio. So first of all, I type YouTube thumbnail and select it so that I'm going to get that size specification. Then you now input the picture you generated from Leonardo AI, and then your work begins. So first of all, you would want to add a little bit of like creativity to your background. So for me, I want to put like the subscribe button there, so that's the first thing you're going to see, and I add like a YouTube icon also. And that's basically it. But then you want to play around Canva and try your own designs and typings and whatever you want. When you are done, the next thing is to go into Cupcut and try to make the background more realistic. So you want to select the picture you generated from Canva, put it into your Cupcut. Then you now select your overlay, which is going to be the video you want to hide its background. So you go through your media and choose the video that you want and wait for it to load. After it is done loading, this is how it's going to be. You now want to fuse, or let me say merge, the video and the background into one. So you go to remove background option for those that have the new Capcut updates. Then you would select the restore and wait for it to fully download, because if you're going to still work whilst it is removed background, you're going to have glitches. After it is done, it's going to show 100%, and then this is how it's going to look. You now have to adjust the video. You can resize it, enlarge it to how you want it to be, and yeah, that is basically it. But then you still want to make it look a little bit more realistic, so you're going to go through the options down there and go to opacity and reduce opacity a bit. But mind you, you're supposed to tap on the background and not the video. So you tap on the background and reduce its opacity till your desired look. Then you want to add a bit of blur to it to make it look like an original background, which you have blurred yourself. So you go through effects, choose blur option, and you can adjust your blur. So for me, I take it a little bit back to about 14 to about 27, and you check to see which is good for you, and this was perfect, so I used that. And you would going to take you throughout the video to the end of the video, so you can blur the whole thing, and you can download your perfectly made background. You should bear in mind that if you want to change your background for a particular video, you should mind the movement you make in the video, or else it's going to affect it later on when you're editing.
If you are still here to this point, that means that you love this video. Kindly give this video a thumbs up, kindly subscribe, share and comment, and don't forget to join me in my next video. Bye.